everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to help you learn how to add music to your Snapchat video. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's begin. Start by tapping open your Snapchat application and sign into your account if necessary. In order to add music to one of your Snapchat video, first go ahead and record a video. Let me record a video and come back to you. Once you record your video, make sure that you've turned off the original sound by tapping on the sound button and go to the music button at the upper right and give it a tap. Now, from the list of the musics, you can go ahead and select any one that you like. Simply tap on the music and you'll be able to see that the music is playing in the background. Simply slide the sound bar and select the part of the music that you'd like to use in your video and tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see the music has been playing in the background and you can see the sticker right there. Simply place the sticker where you'd like it to appear. Go ahead and send your video to one of your friends or simply post it on a story. That is how you can easily add music to your Snapchat video. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.